Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here over Jura Z6, and this machine was brought in because the left brew spout was broken, which we replaced. The customer also wanted to tune up, where we disassemble the machine, replace gaskets, lubricate moving parts, run a descale cycle as well. And we deep cleaned the milk system here. They said that it was sputtering, the milk was sputtering out. So we cleaned that, and also we lowered the temperature of the milk foam, which also contributed to the sputtering. So here we go, make a little cappuccino, give it a test. Nice milk foam. Stop there. There it is. Jura Z6 working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.